I'm trying to decide what I'm gonna do. Might be like 3 minutes with Ben Ford. We'll do it like maybe every week or something. And we'll talk about who I recorded. Like this week, I recorded Idea Gamble. I recorded Jay Groovy. I recorded myself. I did a track for Dominique Cooper from Big Brother, who's also my friend before Big Brother. I did a track with these people in Japan. I did a track with these people in China. Pretty good week. Shout out to my boy Chase. And shout out to Matt. And shout out to everybody, you know. So maybe that's what we'll do. Maybe I'll talk about stuff that I'm learning too. Like right now I'm learning about camera stuff. So I'm hoping that my videos are awesome from the jump. I got a bumper. You saw it. Let me show it to you. That shit was crazy, right? I've been working on that. See that with the snap. I'm using Premiere Pro, you know, so I kind of know what I'm doing on that, but you know, there's always way more to learn. After Effects, I have no clue what I'm doing, but look, effect. Whew, that wasn't effect. I don't know. We'll figure it out. And that's it, man. I'm really comfortable sitting like this, so maybe I need to sit like this over here. That way you get like the view. Yeah. I gotta stop looking at the screen. I gotta look at the camera, have a conversation with the goddamn camera. If I'm gonna come up close like this, I need to bring the mic down just a hair. Because this is where the frame, I think this is where the frame is. And Puma, you see that, Puma? Puma, I want you to pay me. Right there, Puma. I want you to pay me. I'm gonna stop wearing Puma until they pay me. Because I gotta get my viewers up. I need you to share this. We're gonna talk. If you put stuff in the comments, you ask me questions, we'll talk about it online. I will talk about anything except politics. So I'll talk a little bit about politics, but not much because I have limits. You know, I got limits. Would that be crazy if there was a ruler right there? So it's nice to talk to you. I'm gonna go review this on my computer. Stop looking at the other camera. Stop looking at the screen. I'm gotta look in the lens. And that's it.